After a fairy loses a vehicle, first you wrap it in a leaf, and then you put it in here. This wakens the wishing tree from her slumber, and she will grant you one wish. Whatever you want.
What will you wish for?
I don't know what to wish for.
What about a racing car?
Or for a pet dinosaur?
Or a giraffe on a bike! First things first, my vehicle needs to fall out.
And I know a trick to help.
Ooh.
Yeah, ooh. Take a big bite, and that will help the vehicle to fall out. Be brave, Cuán.
Yeah. Be Kroga.
Be Kroga. Be Kroga. Be Kroga.
I guess my vehicle isn't ready to fall out. That's okay. There's no need to rush things, right? Who's making all that noise?
Look, the baby bird is getting ready to take its first flight.
The bird seems a bit worried.
Aww. And it's okay to be Borja, but it's good to be brave too.
Be Kroga. Be Kroga. Be Kroga.
What is it? My vehicle!